Hi friends, welcome back to Testing Tutorials Point. This is Lokesh Gorantla and today we are going to discussing about a frame or iframe and nested frames in our Selenium Java. Okay, here basically what is a frame? A frame is a container which contain the entire website. Example, if you say now imagine this is my web application. Sorry, this is my web application. Okay, in this web application, if I want to create one frame this much, this entire frame can have for one website. Okay, a frame can contain another frame also, means that is called as a nested frame. Inside one more frame we can able to create. You can create for single button or entire website, anything you can able to create. Okay, it contains for entire website. Okay, how to identify this kind of frames? Simple example of, if you go Google, okay, if you right click on this, you can see there are two options, inspect and view page source. Okay, in the last two options, okay, you can able to see these two, but when it is having four frames, when you inspect, you can able to see there are two more options called a view frame source or reload the frame. Okay, these are the two options. When you got these two options, then that is a frame it is having. Okay, you have to handle. If you click the frame source, you can able to see that there is a frame number. Okay, and this is the frame. Okay, they can able to contain here. Then how we can able to see normally? How, if you go for view page source, okay, Control F. This is having for very less, because of that you directly getting. Okay, you can say frame. If you search the frame, you can able to find it. Okay, like this you can able to identify these frames easily. Okay, even nested frames also will come. That sometimes not only the frame, they call it as a iframe. Like that also it will be there. But based upon that, you have to check whether both the places it is there or not. Whether the frame tag is there, you can see frame set they are used, then they use it for frame. Okay, you have to check that thoroughly whether they are used a frame or they are used for iframe. Okay, and then you need to use, when the application is like this, you can able to call directly driver dot find element by dot id or name, whatever it is. Then you can give the send case and all, you can do it. But when it is there frames, okay, you have to use for driver dot switch to. Okay, switch to is the one to switching the between your application with another one. You can use for frame. Okay, frame is the method where it is allow you to switching into that particular place. Okay, now we can create a sample program. PC 14 frames. Okay, I'll take this. Okay, we can copy the frame URL. Okay, first we need to identify our frame. Okay, for this, if you inspect this one, okay, you can see this is ID we have directly name. Okay, if you use directly, we can see some error also. Okay, if I use that driver dot find element by dot name, if I pass this one and send keys, if I send testing, if I run the application, now I'm doing for without switching. So it got failed actually. You can see it's a place unable to locate the locator. Okay, the method itself, it is not able to locate it. Okay, because it is searching for something, but it is not able to identify because the frame it is there. If it is frame is there, you have to switch the frame. Then how to switch? You can see there is a frame. Okay, the frame it is there, and the frame it is having for src. Okay, this is the one. You can copy this one. Okay, come down and control F to forward slash star square braces at the rate attribute. Okay, you can give for single quotation save sign. Yeah. Okay, now you can able to identify. Now I need to switch to the first window. Switch frame first. Okay, here we can able to use for to store first web element. Okay, directly also you can use, or you can able to switch that's okay. Frame 1 driver dot find element by dot x path, and then you can decide this one and semicolon. Okay, then now we need to switch the switching purpose driver dot switch to dot, there is a method called a frame. Okay, we have for parent frame, there are another option it is showing the parent frame. Parent frame is nothing but when you are the multiple frames is there, a single frame is there, you switch into the frame and you need to play with the parent web page. If you are not come out the that particular frame, then it will stay there only. You cannot work until unless you switch back a default page or parent frame. Okay, you have to switch back after your execution is complete. Okay, now here it is there. This is a normal page. You working here in the first page. Okay, the frame. Once execution is completed and you need to work here, and you have to come out of the frame. If you are not come out of the frame, and it will stay inside the frame itself, because our Selenium and Java having for this kind of issue. Okay, if you go for playwright, it is not having that issue, but you need to use for which page you are using properly. Okay, but here is the one where you need to understand like a first you need to switch and work. Once work is done, you have to switch back to a main page, then only you can able to work anything from that particular page. Maybe you'll get one more question. I have in the frame there are two, and second also I need to work means, then you need to first switch into the first and switch back to the main, then again switch to second frame and work and come out of the second frame. Like that you have to do. Okay, now I switched, and here right you can use for index position or name of the frame also. Okay, or path locator, anything you can pass and you can locate it. Okay, now I'm just switched. Okay, it will check. Now we switched, then whether it is working or not, we can see. So it is a type the testing, right? Now it is working perfect. No issues, right? Now I'm not switching into the second frame. Okay, I want to see in this, this also having for frame. Okay, but now I'm not switching, I'm directly trying. Okay, I'll write for switching also. This is my frame 1, frame 2. Okay, I'll take the frame 2, but I'm not coming out of the frame. Okay, just I'm trying to switch into the second frame. Okay, driver dot find element by dot x path, I'm not switching, no, sorry, I'm not coming out of the first frame, but still I'm switching into the second frame. Okay. Okay. I switched. Okay. Then I need to, this is the name, driver dot find element by dot name dot send keys, second frame. Okay. And I will use for thread dot sleep for 1000 milliseconds. Okay. Now I'm saving here and again running. See, it is entered into the first one, but it is not work here and it is showing some error. See, which is a frame 2, it is not able to identify inside the first frame. But if you come out of the frame, okay, now we need to come for out of the frame, first frame, okay, switch to dot. We have for default content, okay, default content 1 and parent frame. There are two things is there you can able to use for anything, okay. I'm using for default content. Yeah. Okay. Now again I'm running. Now you can see second frame it is entered and first frame also it is entered. Okay. Like this we can able to do it. Okay. Now another scenario is nested frames. Right? Nested frame. Nested frame how to handle? See, this is the one frame and here it is there. It is another frame it is there. Okay. There are two frames. One is here and another one is a frame can contain for another frame which we given the statement, right? It is having for another frame also. Okay. How we can able to handle? This time we need to switch into this particular third frame. Okay. First we need to switch into third frame. First we'll do for third frame. Okay. I'll copy. Then we need to use for here driver dot switch to dot a default content. Okay. Then we need to use to store into our third frame. Okay. Driver dot find element by dot xpath we can store and then we need to switch to this third frame. Okay. And frame 3. Okay. I switched into third frame and then I'll enter into some text into here. Okay. uh, Driver dot find element by dot name dot send keys and then store for third name. Okay. And now if you scroll down, if you inspect this or if you inspect this particular page also, if you go scroll up, see here is the iframe. Okay. This is the iframe. iframe it is presented. The tag is iframe. Okay. We need to switch this particular iframe. Okay. Now if I go ahead and create the iframe, see one frame it is identified and then that particular frame we can do. Okay. Now I'll go ahead and give some time. thread dot sleep 1000 milliseconds, and then I need to identify for second frame, okay, which is inside a inner frame. Okay, driver dot find element by dot xpath, and then I'm oh, by dot xpath. Okay, I need to switch into this particular frame. Driver dot find element. Sorry, switch we need to do, right? Switch to dot frame inner. Okay, maybe you'll get question. You have done for default content here, why you are not do here? Because here is a third frame, inside another frame it is there. Okay, if you default content, if you go right, it is not possible to do. Okay, because of that we are not done for the default content, because this particular frame is identified inside the third frame itself. Okay, now we switch back to that particular place. Okay, now we need to click for any radio button. Okay, any radio button we need to click. If I inspect this element, okay, you can see here ID it is having for I6. Okay, we can use the I6 driver dot find element by dot ID. We can specify that and click. Okay, now up to here we can do. So it is clicked for all the places here also. Okay, here. Okay, everything. If you want to fill the fourth place, you have to use for, there are two things you need to use. Previous I mentioned for parent and default content. Okay, there are two options. Here you have to use, when you are in the nested frame, you have to use for first is parent. Okay, because nested frame right now you are switched, right? From the nested frame you need to come out of parent, driver dot switch to dot parent, because you need to go for third frame. Once you come back to a third frame, you need to use for driver dot switch to dot a default content. Okay, when you are a single frame you can use directly for default content. When you are in a nested frame, then you have to use the parent frame to switching, then you need to go back to old, okay, default. Like this you have to do. Okay, I hope it this entire information helpful for you. Thank you for watching, and please do subscribe and share to your friends and colleagues. Thank you.